Holy cow. Look at that. That's crazy. What is going on? Look at that tree over there. This storm is it's gonna be really big. It just started like a few minutes ago. I'm gonna try to smoke in the rain. I'm gonna blow your fire out. I think we're expecting a power outage tonight sometime this week. Yeah, hopefully not. Hey, Julian! Back in it again, the storm. Crazy. Woo-hoo! So stormy. Much worse tonight. Apparently powered by some typhoon that's crossing the ocean. Look at all that water that's coming down. It's pretty crazy. Oh my god. See, I can't even hold up my umbrella. Look at that Ferrari over there. So loud. So I'm just at the grocery store now. I can't go to my usual one because of the storm. I don't want to really walk in the rain anymore. So yeah, I'm just stocking up, just getting prepared. I am completely soaked. So I just got to my office. It was an adventure. Just going to the grocery store across the street. It was, yeah, it's not the best idea. Look at this, look outside. Look how fast, I can't. Look how fast those clouds are moving. Terrible. Okay, so this is the third day of the storm. It's not too bad right now, it's pretty calm, but yeah, hopefully this is the third and the last one. No more of this crazy weather. Winds are starting to pick up, but still not too bad. That tree over there just fell. A little one. Yeah, it's gonna be a bad one. The rain's coming in too. Hear this? Oh, there's a little raccoon.